in the last week. Thanks again for coming. So we really appreciate it. We're here to welcome CST Tire's newest brand ambassador and to launch CST Tire's Know Your Tire campaign. With us in this event are Ms. Christine Nicole Roque, our marketing manager, National Sales Manager for the Little Division, Mr. Serge Castro, and National Sales Manager for the Four-Wheel Division, Mr. Eric Yap. And we'll also be joined virtually live from Cebu, Mr. JB Atanasio, Product Management Director. And of course, our weather expert, master storyteller, and walking encyclopedia, Kuya Kim Atienza. And so, let's call on Mr. Serge Castro for just the welcome remarks.
All right. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So we are thrilled to have you as today, as CST Tires proudly announces our exciting new partnership with Kim Atienza as our official endorser. This collaboration marks a significant milestone in our commitment to road safety and the promotion of our innovative tire products. As we embark on this journey together, we invite you to explore how our advocacy for safer roads aligns with Kim's passion for community well-being. Thank you for being here to witness this momentous occasion and to learn more about the future of CST Tires. At CST Tires, our core mission is to enhance road safety and performance through superior tire technology. We believe that every journey should be a safe one, and this conviction drives us to continually innovate and improve our products. Our tires are meticulously engineered to offer unparalleled durability, traction, and handling, ensuring that drivers can navigate various road conditions with confidence. By focusing on cutting-edge research and development, we aim to set new standards in tire safety and reliability, contributing to a safer driving experience for everyone. Our partnership with Kim Atienza is a testament of our dedication to making road safety a shared responsibility. Kim's genuine commitment to community welfare in his influential platform will amplify our message and engage a wider audience. Together, we are not only raising awareness about the importance of high-quality tires, but also promoting responsible driving habits and road safety practices. We look forward to working closely with Kim and leveraging his advocacy to drive meaningful change, ultimately making our roads safer for all. And thank you for your continued support as we work towards this vital mission. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you, Serge, for those welcome remarks. And now, let's get to know a bit more about CST Tires for Mr. JB Atanasio.
Hi everyone. Unfortunately, I cannot join you guys there in BGC. I'm here in Cebu to attend to another meeting tomorrow and today. But today, I'd like to share. Can you guys hear me clearly?
Yes.
I hope so. And I'd like to share about some information about CST as a brand. People will be asking a lot about this one, and I'd like to introduce to you this brand. And I think this is, I would say, due already. And with our partnership with Kuya Kim, this is a great opportunity for me to introduce it to you guys. But let me share my screen, tell you more about CST. Okay. Wait, let me share the screen right now. Wait, please. There you go. Can you guys all see the screen?
Yes.
Now, who is CSD? Now, the CS in CSD stands for Chengxin, and Chengxin Rubber Industry Company is the 10th largest tire company in the world. You guys know it's been 57 years of operation. We started in 1967, and the brand origin is from the Changhua County, Taiwan. And for everyone's information, Maxxis is a subsidiary or a secondary brand under CSD. Now, we are the biggest bicycle and motorcycle tire manufacturer in the world, and we are also a third-party manufacturer for several tire companies. Unfortunately, I would not be able to disclose these information on who are these brands because of our contract with them. So in other words, we create some parts of some popular tire brands in the world, and they employ us to create those specific parts like the bead, the thread plies, the sidewall, and some even in the inner line. Now, CSD is OE fitment for several manufacturers, including both our passenger segment in the motorcycle. As you can see, there are from the industries ranging from our biggest tires to truck and bus tires, all the way to motorcycle tires. And as a group, we produce in the passenger segment, which includes the SUV and the van and the light truck, we produce 6,000 tires per day. And for truck and bus, 10,500. But I think I heard they're already jacking this up to 13,500 tires per day to accommodate the consumption internally in terms of in its factory domestic and also internationally. Now for motorcycle and bike tires, we produce 3 million tires per day, 300,000 tires per day. Now as a group, including all our manufacturing facilities in Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, Taiwan, India, and China, we produce 1.5 million tires per day. This is how big CSD is. Now, I'd like to show you some important accreditations that CSD was able to pass as a brand. And what is the essence of these international standards, safety standards, and certification? This tells you that the brand itself was able to pass the safety standards of different accreditation bodies all across internationally. So in different regions, they have their own safety standards and manufacturing standards that they require from each vehicle or tire manufacturer. So if you pass this, you're allowed to sell and produce those tires in their regions. Okay. This includes, of course, I'd like to highlight our very own PS Mark in Philippines. Now, CSD has a lot of tech centers internationally. So we have in Taiwan. We also have 3 in Xiamen, China, and I think the 4th one is a proving ground in Shanghai. We also have a tech center in Nuremberg, Netherlands, in Atlanta, Georgia. So the importance of the tech centers, because these departments, they are the ones, the engineers behind and the designers behind these tech centers are the ones responsible to ensure that the tires that we create passes the quality standards of each region. And also these guys are responsible for introducing specific technology and innovation that a specific market requires. For example, I think I'm going to discuss it a little bit later. For example, in a domestic China, wherein heavy loading is very important in terms of the commercial segment, the tech guys in Xiamen, China, was able to create super series heavy loading tires that could accommodate those I would say abnormally high loading condition or weight condition. I'll talk about it later as we move forward. Now, as a group, we are operating in 157 countries. We're not just operating in Asia. We are available in different parts of the world, and we have offices to distribute the brand CSD. Now, guys, this will be the end of the introduction of the CSD, but I would be available later in case you would want to ask for more information about the brand. And thank you so much for listening. I hope you guys, learn about CSD. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir JB. Thanks for letting us in on the background of CSD and getting us to know your tire. So, just to remind everyone, our hashtag is CSD Tires Know Your Tire. So, if in case it's hashtag CSD Tires Know Your Tire. And now, let's please welcome Ms. Christine Roque as she tells us more about what this event is all about.
First and foremost, we would like to thank everyone. First and foremost, we would like to thank every one of you, especially to Kuya Kim Atienza. So thank you for being one with us in this advocacy. So just to tell everyone, so every year, more than 1.3 million people die in road accidents worldwide. So road traffic crashes are the 8th leading cause of death for people of all ages, and the leading cause of death for children and young adults. More than half of all road traffic deaths involve vulnerable road users, including pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcycle riders. So in the Philippines, vehicular accidents rank among the top 12 leading causes of mortality as per PSA for 2022 and 2023 data, highlighting a significant road safety concern. So this statistics underscores the critical need for enhanced safety measures, such as the risk of dying from a road accident is higher than from a certain disease, let's say liver disease. At CSD Tires, we are committed to road safety through our advocacy and advanced tire technology. By investing in high-quality tires designed for better performance, durability, and safety, we aim to reduce the risk of accidents and improve road safety for everyone. Our tire technology is engineered to provide superior traction, stability, and overall driving safety, which is essential in preventing accidents and saving lives. So like our competitor, many tire brands fail to effectively communicate the advanced technology benefits behind their products, leaving consumers unaware of the critical role that high-quality tires play in safety and performance. This often leads to Filipinos to prioritize price over value, as they don't fully understand the benefits of investing in the right tire technology. To bridge this gap, we've partnered with Kuya Kim Atienza. So Kuya Kim Atienza, who excels at making complex concepts relatable and educational. His expertise helps clarify the importance of tire quality, ensuring that consumers appreciate the value of investing in superior tire technology for their safety and driving experience. So for this partnership, we shall be utilizing this partnership through digital marketing by releasing 12 videos, monthly videos, and social media content which aims to educate the public about tire technology, application, of course with CSD tires. We shall also be utilizing this partnership in our in-store channels through our point-of-sale marketing collaterals. With this campaign, we call everyone to, of course, know your tire. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Christine. And now, we've come to the most exciting part, and that is the contract signing between CSD Tires and Kuya Kim. So, please do the honors. if we're all done, let's do a quick photo op. Please have a look. Wait lang. If everyone's done, can everyone please stand up in the panel for a quick photo op? Please stand close together. Closer. One more here. One more. Okay, thanks everyone. Please. Okay, thanks everyone. So it's official now. So let's call on our brand new ambassador for CST Tires, Mr. Kuya Kim Atienza, and let's hear what he has to say about his new role for CST Tires.
Magandang umaga. Good morning to my colleagues in social media, in mainstream media, in free television, and Facebook, and TikTok. And the landscape has changed so much. Talagang digital na ngayon, iba na talaga. And of course, I'd like to say good morning, and it's an honor that you picked me as your ambassador to my CST family. Maraming salamat. I'll do my best to be the best ambassador. And I just want to say that I'm so excited about this campaign because we shot our initial videos already, and this campaign will be focused on safety more than anything. And the qualities of CST will come out as we focus on how safe it is to use these tires. So nowadays, talagang I've been on two wheels since the 90s, but every single day since 2015, so almost 9 years already, on two wheels every single day, rain or shine. And I know the importance of picking the right tires for me to be able to come home safely to my wife. And my 3 kids were already gone. Nasa America na sila eh. So empty nest na kami. For me to be able to come home in one piece to my family and to all of us as well. It does not apply to 2 wheels alone, but also with 4 wheels. The importance of tire safety, picking the right tires, and tire maintenance. That shall be the thrust of this campaign. And as we were shooting initially, I saw so many bits of trivia na importante, na hindi alam ng ordinaryong tao, but can dictate whether mabubuhay tayo o hindi tayo mabubuhay, lalo na 2 wheels. So, as much as we could, we explained these terms and these bits of information to the general public. And this is what the campaign will be. It's very exciting, very reachable, and very understandable. And then the quality of CST will come out very soft and eventually. Ang ganda po. So I'm looking forward to the whole year that I shall be working with you, and maybe the next years, if we're all happy. And I'm very excited also to work with you, my colleagues in the media. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Kim, for those words. Before we get to the Q&A, we'll be showing a quick video about the Know Your Tire campaign. So please, all eyes on the screen.
Audio.
Designed to carry load. Pero hindi lahat ng gulong ay pantay-pantay. Some are stronger than others. Depending on what kind of vehicle and application you have, you need specific tires for optimal performance and safety. Lahat ng mga gulong come with a load rating, which can be found on the sidewall sa gilid po yan. The benefits of a higher load rating means that you can carry more luggage at mas maraming pasahero. Mas safe po yan while maintaining the performance and safety of your tires. Do not exceed your tire's load rating. Overloaded tires can cause your rubber to overheat, mag-iinit po yan, or experience premature wear and tear malalaspag agad. CST has a number of tires that cater to different applications, such as the CST CM619, a motorcycle tire that's designed for street use and features reinforced casing plies and bead wires that allow 30% more loading capacity over the previous generation. For optimal grip and safety on the road, CST Tires has got you covered. Don't exceed your tire's load rating for optimal life and performance, and go with the proper tire for your application.
That's a sample of things to come. So, right now we'll be opening up the floor for questions from the media to our panel here. And also we have audience watching us online, so we'll be opening the floor to them as well if they have any questions. But for now, please raise your hand if you have any questions, and our friends from the team will be handing over the mics. Questions, anyone?
Hello, good morning. Nakita ko kanina kasi ang ginamit ng video is vertical or reels. So, will this be the platform na gagawin natin, layout? Reels format?
Hello. Yes, we will be using the Reels format because obviously our generations have already changed. So we would want, of course, impart the knowledge that Kuya Kim is telling us through our social media pages.
So I'm assuming this will be coming out on some Facebook,
Yes.
Instagram,
Yes.
TikTok, like
Yes.
that. So lahat ng mga vertical platform.
Yes.
For Kuya Kim naman, Kuya Kim, personally sir, ano po yung dinadrive ninyo?
Di na ako nagkukotse.
Kaya nga.
There was a stage, I was into Land Rovers. That's siguro from 2004, 2005 up until 2014. So, and that time onwards, nakamotor na ako eh. But I have plenty. Depende. I'm also an endorser of BMW, Motorrad, no? Pagka bagyo, pagka baha, naka-GS ako. But 90% of the time, I'm on a classic motorcycle. So, I carry multi-brands, different brands. I have Ducatis, I have BMWs, I have Harley Davidsons, puro vintage. Puro vintage. So, all the more, napaka-importante ng kulong eh. Kasi ang dami kong motor, walang rider safeties, wala ni ABS. Pag mali ang gulong mo, deads ka eh. So, napaka-importante.
So the campaign is more likely for two
Safety.
tires or for wheel
No,
tires?
for 2 and 4.
For 2 and 4. You know. So sir, Kuya Kim, di ba parang mas dangerous kapag two wheels ang ating dinadrive? So kaya mas kailangan talaga natin na better yung tires natin, di ba sir?
Totoo yan. No? Ang pagmamaneho ng 2 wheels, kailangan bago rin ang mindset. Pag binago mo mindset mo, then it becomes less and less dangerous. But you are right, it is definitely more dangerous. Therefore, we have to change our mindset in terms of how to ride it and in terms of safety. So, mas importante talaga na tama ang gulong. Kaya lalo na, dun sa mga, ang dami natin mga beginner riders ngayon eh. Since after the pandemic, dumami by about 2 times ang motorcycle volume sa kalye. And a lot of these guys are not yet too conscious of safety, lalo na sa gulong.
Kaya dito pumapasok ang CST tires. Ano po ba ang edge ng CST tires compared to the other brands?
Our friend, Mr. JB Atanasio, our friend from Cebu, our product management director will answer that.
Well, I'll answer. Thank you so much, Manalo. Well, of course, what sets CST apart from other brands is I'll give you some pointers, quick pointers. What usually we present to our dealers and our consumers are these three things. Number one, thing that you need to know about CST is we own our manufacturing plants. Anong ibig sabihin nito, or what is the benefit for the consumers? It means in every manufacturing facility, we hold the standard of quality production and also the consistency of production. So many tire manufacturers out there, I've been in the industry for almost 2 decades now, and I was able to observe some of the brands na backyard lang gumagawa. They don't have that safety element in terms of production. They would just create tires and pang tayo ba, yun ang sinasabi nila in trade. But CST has this consistency in all of manufacturing facilities we have, whether it's located in Southeast Asia, East Asia, or even in South Asia, which is India and Indonesia. Indonesia Southeast. But what I mean here is that we control all of those, what we wanted in our tires, from the acquisition of raw materials all the way to the production itself. That's one pointer. The second thing that you need to know about CST is we are one of the few innovators in the trade, in the industry right now. In the automotive industry, where tires are included, there's heavy reverse engineering that is happening. I mean, a lot, okay? And what sets us apart is that there are only few manufacturers in the trade or in the industry that would introduce technologies or innovation that would actually benefit our consumers. For example, CST is, I think, one of 4 manufacturers in the tire industry that creates rectangular bead configuration. So these are the wires that we put in our bead, and it's shaped as a rectangle. And the essence of that design is for our tires to be able to withstand heavy loading. Okay, we have as high as 80% beyond standard of heavy loading. To that, our tires can carry that, especially in the truck and bus segment. And when it comes to motorcycles and we have several releases in the market wherein it can withstand low air pressure or heavy loading as well. So may mga, dito kasi sa Pilipinas, for example, may mga riders tayo na 3 sila or 4. And this gives a lot of stress in the tires and would either rupture the bead or sidewall, or simply it will wear out faster because of that heavy stress. And CST has that configuration of rectangular bead, so we can perform safely on those situations. Tapos kami rin po ang nakapag-introduce ng true double casing or triple casing sidewall or casing ties. And these are very essential in our off-roading tires. Pag halimbawa tayo ay gustong mag-air downs, and I think air down is a technique that off-roaders use wherein they intentionally reduce the air pressure to have a much larger contact patch para sa traction and grip. And without the double and triple casing plies, tires will not be able to withstand. Okay, so again, we introduced innovation in the market. Now, last but not the least, the pointer, another point to be known about when it comes to CST is that I would say this is more of a very important trait of a tire manufacturer. We can consistently create tires from the biggest sizes. We have the mining tires, the truck and bus tires, all the way to the motorcycle tires. The engineering behind that, that capability to create, okay, several sizes in different categories is very difficult. And again, if ever you're going to do research on your own, may mga gulong na wrestle games sa merkado who are actually sticking in one category. And what we brag about in this is that we can consistently create safe tires. You wanted it to be in commercial or we wanted it to be in bicycles or motorcycles. And we can, pass safety regulations ng each categories na yan. So in summary, we're just a manufacturer that most people don't know yet, but we do own our plants. We introduce innovation in the market, innovation in technology, and last, we can create tires from biggest all the way to the smallest, safe and quality tires. I hope I answered your question.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions? Please state your name and the title you're representing at.
Quickly, hi, good morning everyone, and congratulations to Kuya Kim, and hello to my colleagues here in media as well. My name is Lindy, and I would just like to ask, why did you choose Kuya Kim to do your Know Your Tire campaign, and for how long will you be doing this for CST? Thank you.
Thank you, Lindy, for that question. So, we chose Kuya Kim because tires are a technical product. And sad to say, technical products are hard to understand. Even though you are somehow of an automotive enthusiast. And our driving population here in the Philippines is a mix of those who are an automotive or a motorcycle enthusiast. And there's also those who are a bit of a daily driver. Then there's that type of market. They just want to ride or drive. So our usual concern at CST Tires is actually how to explain our tire technology. I think this is actually not just our concern, but most of our tire brands concern, yung ibang tire brand din. So sobrang technical ng gulong, kahit kukunti lang makakaalam. And with Kuya Kim on board with us, he's actually known, of course, to simplify technical things. That's why we partnered with him. For this campaign, we will be partnering with him for 1 year. Then let's see how we can take it further.
Very good.
Next question.
I'm Andino, Sevilla. With tires from different manufacturers flooding the market nowadays, yours is a quality product. May we know how much will be the price range of these tires that you will be introducing to the market?
Hello. For pricing, we will be at maybe around 10 to 20% much cheaper versus the quality for the other brands.
Okay, that's good. Are you introducing several, especially the SUVs, no? SUV tires, no? These are most popular nowadays for those in the off-roads. How many variants do you have?
We have several variants, like we have mud terrain, all terrain, and highway terrain for SUV and 4x4.
Okay. Can you give us how much will be that kind of for those tires?
For 265, the usual is 265, 65, R17. Our price is around 6,000, 5,000 or 6,000.
Really?
Correct. For CST.
Kasi pricey tires are more than 10,000, I would nowadays. No?
Yes.
That will be much cheaper. And a good one. And a good wheel also. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. So my name is Easter from Orange Magazine. My question is for Kuya Kim. I'm curious about what are your responsibilities as brand ambassador of CTS Tires and why you say yes to CTS Tires? CST Tires.
My responsibility is to be able to explain how safe it is to use CST tires, the qualities of the product also. The hands-on, I'm just kidding. My expertise kasi in media is to be able to explain since 2004, dapat alam niyo ba, trivia, palaging ganyan. So the whole campaign is about me explaining the different qualities of the tire in layman's terms na maiintindihan ng ordinaryong tao. And ang prime concern ng tires, ng CST tires, is safety. And safety talaga ang number one natin. Ikakalat natin. Thank you.
Good morning, Stephen Yu from C Magazine here. This is addressed directly to Kuya Kim. Kuya po ba? Kasi mas matanda ko sa'yo eh.
Trivia po, si Stephen and I, we both competed in Superbody of the Philippines, 1989.
Talaga?
1989. We were both bodybuilders.
Sample na sa sample.
Commercial model yan. Hanggang ngayon may billboard sa EDSA yan.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Wow.
Tapos si Stephen, I did not win that contest. I was a finalist. But Stephen won Teen Superbody. Kasi team ko siya nun. Ay, lolo ka na ngayon.
Sample.
Mamaya kinokrack yung press ko. But thank you for that. Thank you for that. First and foremost, congratulations on the endorsement. I hope that there are more in store. I'm glad that you're being asked or you're being tasked specifically with trying to bridge the information gap between manufacturers and end users, because I feel that is sorely missing right now in education, particularly in the field of safety. Now, since you did mention our connection sa fitness industry, I did actually want to ask you, since nandito na tayo sa passenger tires, motorcycle tires, but what the public may not know is that you're also an avid cyclist. And as shown in the presentation earlier, CST manufactures 300,000 bicycle tires.
The biggest in the world.
Yeah, biggest in the world. So where do you see CST fitting in with your personal two-wheel transport?
Of all tires, the tire that is most sensitive to safety in terms of materials and technology are bicycle tires. Pagkapalpak yun, kasi halos walang tread yun eh. Pag mali ang compound na ginamit sa bisikleta, dudulas ka eh. The fact that the CST is very popular all over the world, making bicycle tires, makes them even safer, making tires with a bigger contact patch, like an SUV tire or motorcycle tire. So it goes to show the kagalingan ng kumpanya. In terms of what I do, I'm on two wheels every single day, Stephen.
I know.
Every single day. So it's important that I am on something that is safe and that I impart this safety message to motorists that I am with, especially two-wheel riders every single day. So for me, it's an advocacy. I'm thankful that they got me as endorser, but I'm also thankful that I'm part of this advocacy for safety, because a lot of people are not conscious on road safety.
So angels have two wings, you have two wheels.
Yeah.
Good luck, thank you, and good luck.
Hi, good morning. Cap Aguila from the Philippine Star and Business World. Kuya Kim,
I might also be older than you, but I'll call you.
Pustahan tayo, I'm older than you. Cap.
Talaga?
Oh.
Mamaya na, huwag mo na dito.
Ano tayo? What year were you born?
Mamaya na nga.
Magkakaalaman
I'm
na.
probably at least 7 years older than you.
No, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. Anyway, my question is to you, Superbad team contestant, Kuya Kim.
Team. Ako.
Ito, team pala siya pala yung team. Without perhaps preempting the series of videos you'll be putting out, I would assume that these videos were developed to answer a certain perhaps question or something that CST and you want to put out there. You mentioned earlier that prior to going on 2 wheels, you were also on 4 wheels. My question is, what are the things that you've seen in Filipinos, in the Filipino motorists and riders, that you think need to be addressed? Again, without perhaps preempting what you put on video. Ano yung mga nakita mong, di ba, we always hear the term kamote. In terms of tires, for instance, are there misconceptions that you see that really need to be addressed for the riding public?
Tama. Thank you, Cap. First of all, trivia tungkol sa kamote. Alam niyo ba saan galing yung kamote? Kamote rider. Alam niyo yung history nun? Kamot ulo, kamote. Yun ang akala natin. Hindi. Actually, yung kamote, I used to hear that from my teachers back in the 70s. Go home and plant kamote. Diba? Yung mga matatanda mga boomers sa atin, pagka medyo palpakas sa klase, Mr. Atienza, go home and plant kamote. That was told us many times. You know the history of that? That was during the American times. When Americans were teachers, and they would teach us Filipinos, pagka medyo roofer ka, mabagal ka pumikap, go home and plant kamote. That's actually putting down farmers. Ibig sabihin, magbukod ka na ng lupa. Hindi ka pwedeng edukado. Yun, doon lang galing yung kamote rider. Meaning, row 4 rider. Yun yan. And your question was, you know, what I see, lalo na sa motor, ang daming nagmamotor, pudpud na yung gulong. Labas na nga yung trend eh. Maybe because they can't afford, they would say, masyadong mahal, kaya ko na to, pagtsatsagaan ko na to. They have to invest in a good quality tire na tama pa yung trend. At kailan ba nauubos yung trend? Kailangan ba lumabas yung sinulid para palitan? May mga madaling basahin yan eh. May titignan ka lang dyan. Anong ibig sabihin ng mga numero sa gilid ng gulong? Ilan dapat ang PSI na lalagay mo sa gulong mo? Kadalasan, pinipitik-pitik lang eh. Matigas naman, ayos naman, pwede. Okay to. Pitis din. Medyo matigas ang gulong ko ngayon, dagdagan ko nga. Yung mga bagay na ganyan, well, actually, the tires are what connects us to the road. So we have to be very conscious of how it is, how safe it is, no? Kahit yung PSI lang, tamang PSI, napaka-importante, hindi alam na marami. And each motorcycle has a different PSI need, has different pressure. Each car is different. Depende sa panahon. Pwede mo rin palitan kung mainit o malamig. Tukol doon yung campaign. Mga bagay na yan. Any more questions?
Kuya Leo, kanina na-mention, by the way, ako nga pala si Ross Del Rosario from What's Up, Pilipinas.
What's up?
Yes, What's Up, Pilipinas.
Ibong Navarro yun, dad.
Yung What's Up, What's Up.
What's up? Tony Gonzaga. Yung unang break ni Tony Gonzaga. Gusto nakilala eh.
Okay. Anyway, kanina na-mention mo kasi you're in charge of explaining in layman's terms sa mga Pilipino, di ba? Or even outside the country, ganun ba? So, does it mean na yung materials will be coming from CST Tires and you will be doing the script? Parang ganun po ba?
Christine and the rest, they did the script. But I collaborated to make it mine. To make it the Kuya Kim style. Kasi hindi pwede masyadong technical eh. Hindi maintindihan eh.
So that will be in Taglish, parang gano'n po?
Taglish, yes.
Ang nangyari sa amin, in layman's term, to cut it short, ang nangyari sa amin, sinabi namin kay Kuya Kim, Kuya Kim, ito yung gusto namin sabihin. So, with Kuya Kim being Kuya Kim, so he was able to translate it in a sense na mas may intindihan ng tao. Kasi with us, as manufacturers, obvious naman, we're highly technical. With Kuya Kim's experience kasi in media, as well as being end user as well, he was able to communicate that. So, yun. So, of course, thank you, Kuya Kim, for that.
And thank you for the advanced second year extension of our
meron agad, no? Magkakaroon po ba tayo ng dito mga parang special guests na kasama na dual interview, gano'n? Parang.
Well, part of the agreement is some live appearances as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Next
Thank you.
question from
Andy.
One more question for Mr. JB Atanasio. Mr. JB, can you hear me? Yeah. Good morning. You mentioned earlier that CST also do manufacture tires for name brands, but that you cannot divulge it now. Is it when I buy a CST tire, does it also mean that I have the quality and the technical that goes behind the making of a good tire, and for a much cheaper price?
Okay, let me answer. First, I can disclose some brands, okay? So maybe, for example, since napag-usapan natin yung bike, okay? The Specialized bike, and some yung Continental tires na fitted in the bike tires ng mga several popular bicycles. CST makes the whole of it. Now, to answer your question, again, they trust us as a brand to create tires for them, okay, and even make some parts of their tires. That's the beauty of our manufacturing here. This means they trust our technology and manufacturing processes and standards. Now, to answer your questions, may enjoy mo na ba ang mga technology when it comes to safety and of course performance sa murang halaga? Now, let me share you an experience. I used to work for people know this, I used to work for Michelin Tires as one of their technical guys. And internationally, I was able to see the improvement of several tire manufacturers, which includes CST as our competitor before. And I've seen these tires evolve, that they were able to create tires that I would say made affordable and yet giving you safety and some high performance, quality performance that people expect from a tire. So yes, ngayon po, I'll have to be very transparent to you guys. Kasi madaming nagsasabi kasi, basta mura yung tires, hindi masyadong ine-expect yung technology na yan. Now, there are several brands, okay, including CST, that was able to create tires that were able to outdo some performance aspects ng mga kilalang brands in the top 10 here. So, yes, you can buy a quality tire na hindi na masyadong masakit sa bulsa as an investment sa gulong. And we guarantee that by giving, just to give you confidence, you as consumers, we give out guarantee and warranty of 7 years from the date of purchase, in the date of manufacturing. That's how confident we are. So kung ngayon mo binili yan, okay, today is July 30, doon pa lang tayo magka-count ng 7 years. So that's how confident we are in terms of giving out safety and quality tires in the market. So I hope nasagot ko ba yung tanong mo?
Sorry. Unahan na kita. Anyway, Mike Potenciano here. And sorry, Andy. Anyway, JB, Kim, hindi nakita ko Kuya Kim. Kasi tayo? Magkano tayo? Okay. And syempre Christine, Eric, and Serge. So, anyone can answer, no? As you know, JB, you yourself said that you came from Michelin. And we are also part of that family, in our Rally of Champions. And also, I'd like to ask, it is well known already, Chengxin, Maxis, very much in 4x4 off-roading. they are really the prime tires to have during those competitions. Now, I just want to know, where is CST represented in competitions, here or worldwide?
Let me answer this one on behalf, okay, for technical information. Now, in terms of off-roading, okay, we are present in India, the Rainforest Challenge in off-roading. So, yeah. Also, there are several participants who brought in our tires in the Dakar, competing against some popular brands there like BFG. So our off-roading tires are now being used by Australian off-roaders that compete, even Russian and other very popular groups in terms of the 4x4. Now, when it comes to motorcycles, there are some participants in MotoGP who use our CST Migra launch or CST Migra variant in our motorcycle. So, ganun po yung may presence na po tayo pagdating sa competition. Okay.
Thank you. And anyone else? Okay, that's all. Sige. Thank you, and we hope to see more of Kim and the rest in our events and in motorsports in the future.
A bit of trivia naman with Mike Potenciano. My first job in the media was in 1989 in a TV show called Sports Review. And I used to cover Mike every single. He was our star. He was our moto correspondent, our racer, our star, and it's my kuya.
I used to read nung
about him.
siya Carter pa lang siya nun.
Di tsaka, Andy, when I was in Sports Review, mahaba na siya nun. I was fresh out of college. Mike Potenciano was already a name to reckon with in the motoring world. Mahaba na siya.
One thing lang kay JB. Michelin is doing R&D, alam naman natin kung all over the world. No? Yung R&D ba ninyo located also in Taiwan?
Several R&D located in Taiwan, Xiamen, China, Shanghai, China, also in Netherlands, in Atlanta, Georgia. Those that I've shown in the slide a while ago are R&Ds. And again, their responsibility is are two important things: ensure that the tires that we create would pass the local or domestic regulations in the region. Second, introduce innovation in those markets na may pangangailangan in a specific usage condition. So we do have that.
Thank you, JB.
Thank you. Any more questions?
Yes, I'm Ariana Santos from PNP. So question is, are CST tires available nationwide, and where can customers buy the tires?
Thank you, Ariana, for asking that. Maybe I can answer that. So for CST motorcycle tires, I can speak of available nationwide. We have vast distributors nationwide, and of course dealers and motorcycle shops. So we are available and accessible in relevant stores. For four wheels.
For four wheels, available nationwide. Our distributor, we have several warehouses in the Philippines, mainly in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Then we cater to the dealers around the country.
Okay, last question for today's Q&A.
Actually, this is not a question. It's more of a statement. I've known Kim for over 30 years, and I would like to congratulate the entire CST team on the choice for Kim. You could not get a better endorser. You could not get a when it comes to safety, and being able to relate to the masses. And because I am so confident of your satisfaction with Kim, I noticed that over here on your stream where you have a 7-year warranty, I wouldn't be surprised if your contract is extended even
7 years.
Last warranty of your tires. So congratulations and thank you again for having us here.
So again, everyone, thank you for joining us. That's a wrap, and we hope all your questions were answered. So again, please remember to know your tire, and please watch out for the next videos coming from Kuya Kim in the future. So thanks again, everyone, and have a great day.